Welcome to the in front of me HUAWEI Nova Y70, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So first, just open notification panel and find here scan icon. If you have not here this icon, you should click on the right upper corner and click here to edit switches, and you will find this icon here. Just to, for example, that will look by this way. Just to add this icon, hold it and drag it to the up section, tap to done, and after that you can use this feature. Just click here once. After that, tap next, agree, and once again agree, allow. Just click here to get started, and now we should just place our QR code here and wait just a second while your device scans this QR code. Point camera at the code. Okay. Wait a second. And now we can see that our device automatically opened this QR code link. This is the Wikipedia article, so it's worked correct. So that's it. That's how to scan QR codes with our HUAWEI device help. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.